I'm Nikki Cullum. I'm the new principal at Cecilia Valley Elementary. I'm so excited to have all the community here for our very first full school year at Cecilia Valley Elementary. Thank you for coming to open house. Our teachers have been working really hard, and we're really grateful to have such awesome families and students.
Hi everybody, I'm Emily West. I am the PTO president this year of the Cecilia Valley Elementary School. Tonight at our booth we are registering for backpacks full of all kinds of school goodies, that are classroom necessities of course. Also passing out a schedule this year of all the events that are happening for PTO, including the Spring Fling Dance, Fall Festival, our pool party coming up very soon. We're very excited to be hosting a lot of fun events this year. Any parents that are interested, we would love to have you volunteer. We are always in need of an amazing amount of volunteers that makes the school functions happen. So please come out. If you're interested, please call me. My telephone number is 270-268-3069.
I'll let you do it. No, I love you. You can totally do it.
Hi, I'm Helen Harris, and I'm here as the guidance counselor and the Title I coordinator for Cecilia Valley. And we've got our booth set up here. Let everybody know that we are a Title I school-wide school. Got brochures here. And if parents want any more information about that, they can call us at the school at 270-862-3287.
Hello, my name is Marcy Miller with Healthy Kids Clinic, and I am a float nurse here representing our program tonight. Starting in January, we will be taking over school health, which means there will be a nurse practitioner available in each school every day to see kids that may or may not have transportation to the doctor, or mom can't leave work, whatever the need would be. Your school nurse would call you, get your permission, and then say, hey, I think your child needs to be evaluated, and the provider would do that. They would send medicine to your preferred pharmacy, and then there would be a notification back to the parent explaining to them what the diagnosis is and what medication that they needed. They would provide the nurse excuses for school if that be the case or whatever. Contact information would just be your school nurse, and then we also have an 800 number if you would like your child to be seen. That's 844-435-0900. We are part of Cumberland Family Medical.
My name is Farron Booker. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Cecilia Valley. Really no new changes this year, still free breakfast and free lunch for all the students. If an adult chooses to eat, it is $3.60. Other than that, everything's about the same. Nice program.
My name is Katherine Ramsey. I work with the school age child care program. It's through Hardin County Schools, and the coordinator is Amy Wood. We take children, and in the after school program, it's similar to a daycare, but it's an extension of the school system. And if you need information, you can contact Miss Amy Wood at 270-769-7926. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Candace Daly. I'm the music and art teacher here at Cecilia Valley, and this is also the PE teacher, Mr. Jenkins, that's with us. And we just have a little game set up where kids can win some prizes. They're throwing the balls in the colored bins and matching the colors up. And then we've also got an array of prizes over here that they can choose from. And we're just all working together and welcoming all the kids in for a new school year. And if parents want to get more information, they can call the school, Cecilia Valley Elementary.
Or you can only have one. There you go.
Hey, guess all the right buckets. You ready? Let's just go in purple.
That is Daddy.
Hello?
Yellow.
That's okay. Blue. Okay. Yeah. Ready?
What? I couldn't even make it.
So, that's my son. That's why he's so good. I taught him everything he knows. Right there.
School that she had to go for kindergarten. Was it
My name is Jennifer McCoy. I'm the routing coordinator for the south end of Hardin County. I would like to ask parents to try out the information on the website. You can go to the quick links and it can take you to bus information. Most of the information on the program is very good and it's very fast and it keeps you from standing in long lines. Also this year we have prepared postcards for every student with the busing information on it. So it should be much quicker at your open houses and a much more pleasant experience. And of course, if you have any routing questions, you can always call us at the bus garage.
Hi, my name is Mallory Cox. I'm selling Spirit shirts here tonight. We're selling short sleeve and long sleeve, and they come in 2 different styles. As you see up here, there's a girls and a boys, and we just want to be able to represent Cecilia Valley.
I am Pam Earles at Cecilia Valley, the office manager. We hope you've enjoyed your visit here at Cecilia Valley today, and we appreciate you coming to see us. Thank you.